In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the LinkedIn verification problem. When you sign up for a new account and click on Agree and Join, you'll first need to enter your details such as your email, phone number, and other required credentials. After this step, LinkedIn will redirect you to a page where you'll be asked to enter a verification code to confirm your account. Usually, this code arrives within a few seconds, so you can just wait for a short while. If it doesn't show up, you can click on Resend Code to try again. But what if you still don't receive the verification code? Don't worry, there are a few solutions you can try. The first thing to do is head over to your device settings, search for LinkedIn under the Applications section, and check that all permissions are enabled. If permissions like SMS access or notifications are turned off, LinkedIn may not be able to receive or notify you about the verification code. Another simple fix is to swipe down your notification bar and double check that your phone isn't running on battery saving mode, since that can sometimes block background processes. Also, make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, because if it's enabled, you may not see important notifications like your verification code. After adjusting these settings, go back to LinkedIn and try again. In most cases, you should now be able to receive your verification code without any issues and complete your account setup. Thank you for watching this video.